how to cancel your Fubo TV subscription. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription to Fubo TV so that you no longer get charged. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And if you're trying to do this on a mobile phone, check the description because I have a separate tutorial showing how to do that. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to Fubo.tv. Check the description, I'll have a direct link down there. And then all we need to do is sign into our account. Once you get signed in, select your profile. And then now that we're in our profile, select the gear in the top right for settings and select My Account. Now in My Account, select Subscription in the left menu. And on Subscription, you just want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Cancel. When you select Cancel, they're going to give you a discount so that they can try to keep your subscription. Go ahead and select Cancel Subscription. Then they'll offer you a free trial to Hulu. Select Skip. Then on this page, they'll let you know when your subscription will end, so you'll lose access to the paid Fubo content. So select OK. It'll reload Fubo. When we go back to the settings and select My Account, at the top of the screen here, you're going to see your subscription is scheduled to end, and that means that you have canceled your Fubo subscription. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.